Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys, and today I will teach you to create a fascinating portfolio website from beginning to end with a stunning design using absolutely free tools. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and show us your support. Do not forget to press the bell icon if you want to get notification for a new video every week. So let me show you the demo of the website we are going to build today. This is a single page website based on a yellow and black color scheme. When you open a page you will see the cool animation. So let me reload this page, and here you can see that cool animation pop up for our header, and this website will fade in. In center, you can see a huge header with some description and a call to action button with an icon. On the top, you can see this header with our logo of the company name and links to different sections on the same page. If you will click on this about us, it will be going to take you on the same page only. So here you can see that there is a smooth scrolling effect whenever we are clicking on this link. So let me reload this page again, and here after that in this let me show you to the about section, and here in this about section we have an image on the left side with a heading and description of the person and his work. We have two icons as bullet point with a heading some. Here you can see that we have some description, and here when we are hovering over it, here you can see that this there is some effect on the image, and this image is turning from this black and white to color image. After that, next we have this skill section with another cool animation and counter effect in each of the skills here. And then after that we have our portfolio section with all projects listed, and here you can we have different categories you can see, which you can filter out. Suppose if you want to see the project, each project, here you can see website, e-commerce and mobile app. So you can here when we are hovering over it, each you can see some description on that about that project. Following it is the service section. Next we have with all the projects listed there. We also have categories on top which you can use to filter out. So here after that here in this service section you can see that we have these 6 small images. So these were basically used by these image boxes, each with an image, header and some description about the services provided. Then we have here you can see the testimonial section, and each testimonial has some text, photo of the customer, their name, their review and star rating. And then moving on to the contact us section, you can see we have this form for any business related queries, and our social media related icons with links to those profile we have at the bottom. Now that you have seen what exactly we are going to create the website, so let's dive into creating it. Guys, do watch the complete video so that you don't miss any important points, and please ask any queries you have in the comment section below, and leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Also let us know which website you would like to learn next. And so first, before starting to create a website, you must have a domain name and a hosting to set up the website so far. So now if you don't have any website hosting or domain name, then you can go to this website, this cmsguys.com/namecheap. You will also get a link in the description. You can also go to that link, and you can purchase the hosting from there. So we are on the Namecheap hosting page, and I have been using this Namecheap for 3 years now and not faced any issue till date. All my websites which we have created for our tutorial purpose or anything, every websites, all my websites are hosting on this Namecheap only. I recommend you to use this same, as it is very easy to use and configure, and also cheaper than other providers. You can check other providers price, and you will definitely see that this Namecheap hosting provider is very much cheap. There are three plans here. You can see that I personally use this stellar business plan as it suits my requirements. But if you are starting out, I recommend you to use you can purchase this stellar plus plan. It is more than enough for most use cases. It comes with an unmetered SSD, auto backup, and unlimited websites. Auto backup saves you from unnecessary hassles, and unlimited websites are also a great offering. It also gives you a SSL protection, which makes your website doesn't show up as potential threat to any user, and also gives you a domain name for free. There are some more benefits like unlimited bandwidth, privacy protection, etc., that you get with all Namecheap hosting. So you can, if you will purchase any of this hosting, you will get that privacy protection and all. So here you can see that you have an option of selecting a data center. So you must select your data center near your country, and here on this top right corner, here you can see that all the price are in dollar. If you want to change the currency, here you can select this USD, and here you can change it. So let me change it to Indian rupee as I am from India. Then let's select the stellar plus plan. Now it takes you to let me click on this get started. After that, when you will select this stellar plus plan, now here you can see that it is asking you about the domain name. This is a free domain name you will get, so enter any domain name you wish to purchase in this box below, and then select the domain name and click to connect to hosting. So here if you have an existing domain name, then also you can click on this existing domain name. So after that, here if you will type a domain name, let me type a demo domain name. Let me do one thing. I will do these CMS guys. So here you can see that all these domain names are of free of cost. This, and after that, when here you have to click this connect to hosting. After clicking on this connect to hosting, here you can, and then click on this add to cart. So here you can see that when we have done this add to cart option, here we have this domain 1 year subscription, the price become 0. And then domain privacy, we are getting 1 year subscription, and domain registration, if you want to increase, then also you can increase your domain registration, and if you want, you can enable the this auto renew feature. And now let us confirm our order. After verifying the domain, you can click on this confirm order to confirm this. And when you will click on this confirm order, so now on the next page, here you can see that it is asking you about this login credential. If you don't have any account, then you can create an account, and if you have account, then you can log in it from here. So I already have an account, so I will use that here. So let's sign in now. So let me enter my username and password. After entering the username and password, let me click on this sign in and continue. And then here you can see that it is asking about this payment method. So here you can use any of this payment method. Here you can use this card details, or if you want to use this PayPal or anything, so you can choose any of this payment method you like, and you can continue confirm your order. Once more, you have to click on this continue, and then after that, you have to click on this pay now to confirm the order. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirect to the dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. So you will be redirect to this dashboard, and where you can manage your domain and hosting from here. So here, and as we have got the hosting and domain, so our next step is to set up the WordPress. So from this dashboard, you can click on this. Here you can see, when you will hover over this, you can get this go to cPanel. So from here, you can it will be redirect. you to the cPanel. After then click on we have to install the WordPress. So first now to install WordPress we have to scroll down to bottom, and or you can also getting this search option. Here you can search for WordPress, and then here you can see that WordPress manager by Softaculous. We have to use this one. You can click on this, and here you have to choose the domain name where you have to where you want to install. So for that let me first of all let me install the WordPress on my domain name. So for it, what I will do, we have to filling the WordPress details and all. First of all, click on this install, and then here we have to search for. So here you can see that this is my domain name where I want to install. So here I have selected this the cmsguys.in, and then here we have to fill our site name and then site description. So site name is basically our site title. So here I will give it the name the cms. Let me give it cms guys. After that here in this description I will be give our company tagline, which is spreading the knowledge. So let me give it. Then we have to choose the username and password. Then we have to choose this. So let me give it a username. So here I will give it this ms guys, and you can use random password, or you can give any password also, or you can use any of this password, or you can also use random password generator to generate passwords for you. After that here we have to fill this admin email address. So here I will going to give my email address. So let me give it. And then here you can skip the theme installation. Here you can no need to select. We will select our own theme, and finally here we have to click on this install button. So our WordPress, you can find that within a few minutes our WordPress installed successfully. So let's wait for it. Then we will get one message for our WordPress, and so here you can see that congratulations message is here, and then the here you can see that the software was installed successfully. So now we will start creating and customizing our website. For that we need to go to the dashboard. So here you can see this the administrative URL is basically the dashboard URL for the WordPress. So you can let me open our website first. So here you can see that this is the cmsguys.in where we have installed the WordPress, and this is how it's going to look like, because it is the default theme is activated now. So if you want to go to this dashboards, and then you have to just here after your website name you have to put a slash and then wp-admin, and then here you will be redirect to your dashboard login panel. And here also you can find this administrative URL, the same URL. It will be also redirect to you to the dashboard of this here dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see that after that we have to enter this username and password which for which so here you have to enter your username and password, and then entering this you will be see this dashboard. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this is how the WordPress dashboard is going to look like. Let's move to this tools section. So basically there here you can see that if you want to import or export something, then also you can do it from this tool section. After that here you are getting this site health, and then export of personal data and erase personal data. If you want, then you can do these settings of erasing of your personal data or exporting your personal data. So now let's move to this setting. So here you can see that in general setting, here you can also change the site title, and you can change the tagline of your website. So basically what does it means, here you can see that when here it is my site title is portfolio, and here in this new tab it is showing that portfolio and the tagline. So here if I will change the tagline to buy these CMS guys, and then here you can see that here you can change the administration email address. And then if you want to make your site membership, then you can tick mark on this, but we are not going to create a membership site. That's why I am leaving it for now. And then here you can set your time zone and then date format. If you want to change the date format or for your website, then here you can change it like it how you want to make it date format. And if you want to make custom date format, then also you can do that one. So I am leaving it as default, and you can also change the time format. If you want, you can also change the time format, and then here you can set your week stats on. After that, let me click on save changes, and here you can say that when I will refresh the page, the tagline is changes portfolio by the CMS guys. After that, let's go to this writing. I don't think is writing has some changes, so we are not going to change anything from writing. So let's move to this reading. So now here it comes. Here you can see that the first setting is here your home page display. So basically, as you know, earlier we have created two pages, home page and blog page. So basically for this only we have created. So now here you can see that, let me open that pages section again. And here when I let me click on edit this home page, and here let me open this page on a new tab. So what I will do, I will add some text over here, hello world. Let me type it, and when I will click on this update button, so here page updated, let me view the page on a new tab. And here you can see that when I have opened this page, here website name slash home is coming. But here you can see that in our website, it is completely the home page and it's not showing anything. So basically here in this reading setting, you can set your home page. So here you can see that a static page, simply click on that a static page. And here in home page, under home page you can select home, and under post page you can select blog. So basically here we are not using any blogs, but I just want to tell you that all those posts which you will be published, that will be shown over here in this blog page. That's why we have created this post page. After that, here you can set your blog post, so at most how many number of posts you want to show, and then feed, so the most recent. And then for each post in a feed, include full text, or if you want to show your summary and all. And then now let me click on save changes. After clicking on this save changes, here you can see that when I have earlier opened this home page, slash home is coming, but when now I will refresh the page, and here you can see that slash home part has gone. So again I will click on this portfolio, and here you can see that this home page is loading now. So as we have set it, so now what I will do, I will delete this hello world post, and then let me click on update. So let me close all these pages. After that, you can go directly to this permalink setting and make sure you have selected this post name, as this is the best practice for this WordPress website. As here you can see that whatever the page you will open, it will be open like that, slash your post name or something. But here you can see that it is earlier it is selected this date and the sample post. So I no one is preferring this, so I will just suggest you to go for, make sure you have clicked on this post name, and now click on save changes. So now let's move to the dashboard, and these are the few settings for your WordPress which you have to do earlier before going to start creating a new website. So now moving on to, as I have already told you, we are going to create this page with all the free plugins, and then all with use of a free theme. So let's start installing the theme and plugin which are required to create our website. So now let me show you how to install the theme. So now click on this appearance, and here you can see that this is the theme section. So you have to click on this add new to install the theme. So you have to search for Astra theme, as we are going to create the theme. We are going to use this theme to create our website. So here you can see that you can simply click on install over here to install this theme on your website, or you can go over here, and here you can type here Astra theme on Google, and then here you can see that this is the link wp.astra.com, and you can directly go to this theme, and here also you can click on this download now button to download this theme. So as you can see that Astra theme has also some of these pro themes. If you want to really experience this theme, then also you can go and you can purchase this theme from there. But as you know, Astra theme is also free. So here also you can download this free Astra theme. Simply you can, whenever you will click on this free Astra theme, you have to enter your name and email address, and you will got a link to download Astra theme, and from there you can upload the theme by choosing this file. But I am not going to do all these things. So what I will do now, I will simply click on this install button to install the theme directly from this WordPress theme library. So now here you can see that this theme is getting installed. So let's wait for it when till this theme get installed. So now here you can see that this theme is installed, and to activate this theme we can simply click on activate over here, and then now here you can see that this Astra theme is activated. So now when I will open our page on a new tab, and here you can see that the site structure has completely changed. So now again we have to here you can see that we have to delete this 2019 theme, as I have already told you that you must keep only a single theme which you are on which you want to keep your website. So here you can see that we have installed this Astra theme, so we don't need this 2019 theme anymore. So what I will do, again I will click on this theme details and delete this theme. So now let's move to that plugin section, and let's install some of the plugins which we require. So now click on this plugins, and here you can see that we have completely blank. So to install a plugin, we have to click on this add new button. Simply click on this add new button to install plugin, and here you can see that you will get this classic editor option. So you can simply click on this classic editor. After this let's wait for it till this classic editor will be installed. So here you can see that this classic editor is installed. So I am not going to activate this from here. So I will tell you, I will later on I will activate all the theme at a single click, so that it will save you for some time. After that, here you can see that on this search plugin option, I will search here for Elementor, the page builder which we are going to use. So here you can see that this Elementor page builder is also free. So either you can install this from here also by simply click on this install now, and let me show you another option to install this Elementor page builder. So you can go to your elementor.com, and then here you can see that so here you can see that this is the Elementor website, and here you can see that they are also having a plan version, but you can go for this, try the free version, and here you have to fill up these things. Do you have a WordPress website? And then you, after clicking on this continue button, here you can choose this free button to install, and they will directly install this Elementor on your WordPress website. But as I am using this on I am creating this website on local, that's why I have not chosen this option. But if you will go to their site and sign up over there, and you can also install this Elementor directly from their website. And you can, if you want, you can also explore these of this premium plugins of this Elementor. By installing, by purchasing this premium plugin, you will get this 50 plus pro widgets and 300 plus more pro 300 plus pro templates. So you can explore more things and more widgets, how this Elementor is working. So I must tell you, if you have some more budget to spend on your website, then you can also purchase this pro plugin of this Elementor. So now moving on to our plugin section of the website. So here you can see that Elementor website builder has also installed. So now one more plugin is you have to install is that essential add-ons for Elementor. So here you can see that we have that plugin by WP Developer. Simply click on install now to install that plugin also. So after installing this Elementor website builder and essential add-ons for Elementor, so here you can see that we are using this essential add-ons to add some add-ons feature to our Elementor website. And then here you can see that on this contact we have a beautiful form over here. To get that form, we have to install one more plugin, which is WP Forms. So we are using this WP Forms to create our form. So here you can see that this is contact form by WP Forms. So here by WP Forms, you can simply click on install now to install this WP Form plugin. So let's wait for this plugin to install, and then within a single click we will activate all the plugins directly. So here you can, let's wait for it to get in. So here you can see that it is installed successfully. So now what I will do, I will click on this install plugin on the left hand side under plugins. So now here, after clicking on that install plugin, you will get a list of plugins which we have installed. So now you can directly select all the plugins, and under bulk action you can click on activate, and after clicking on this apply button, here you can see that all the plugins will be get activated. So as we have activated all the plugins, it is directly taking us to that essential add-ons Elementor plugin, which is when we will activate, it will tell you to configure like this. So what it will tell you, you can click on this basic recommended, and after that here you are getting this element section. So you can go to this advanced or custom option, and then clicking on this, here you can see that on custom option, here you have selected all the elements, and now click on next. And this is not necessary, you can simply click on next and finish. So now here you can see that this essential add-ons is completed. So you can also go to this element section of this essential, and you can click on this enable all option, so that all the plugins, all the widgets which is contained by this essential add-on will be enabled, and then you can click on this save setting. After that, let's go to this plugin section, and let's check all the plugins were activated or not. So here you can see that all the plugins were activated. So now let's move to create our pages. So now what I will do, I will click on this pages section, and as you can see that we have already created this home section. So now I am going to click on this edit option. After that, here you can see that here on this template you are getting this, you can select this Elementor full width, and then click on update. So now when let me refresh our home page, and let's see how it's look like. So basically here you can see that we have this header over here and footer over here. Between header and footer we don't have anything. So what the website, how the we are going to design, it is going to be between this header and footer, and later on I will tell you how you can customize this header and footer. So let's start creating this. So to edit the website, you have to click on this edit with Elementor, and here you can see that the Elementor page builder is loading. So after that, here you can see that the Elementor page builder is loaded, and here you can design your website completely. So as you can see that here we have a text over here. So you can simply click on this plus icon to add a single, uh, here you can see that I have added a single section, and then if I want to add a heading widget, I can simply drag this widget to here. And if you want to make this alignment to center, you can set it as a center. And then if you want to change the color scheme, if you want to make it blue or green, yellow, red, you can change the color scheme. You can also change the typography to anything. And then if you want to increase the size, you can do that one also. If you want to increase the font weight, so you can control over that one also. And then if you want to give any style, if you want to make the text italic or oblique, you can do that. And if you want to make the text decoration underline text or overline text or line through, you can do that things also. And then if you want to make everything text to uppercase, or if you want to make every text to lowercase, or if you want to make the first letter of your text to be capitalized, you can do that one also. And if you can also adjust your line height, letter spacing. So you can customize, you can have everything to do over here. So now let me tell you about the secret which I have told. So I am going to provide you this complete template so that you can edit all these things. So what I will do, to add a template over here, you can see this folder icon at the middle. Simply click on this, and here you can go to this my template, and here you can see that you don't have any templates yet. So what you can click here, you can see that there is a import symbol over here. You can simply click on that import, and here you have to select the file. So after selecting this, let me the zip file which you will be download over there, you can see a template folder inside that zip file, and you will get this home page template. And I am also going to provide you header and footer template also. So after that, here you can see that this template is getting uploaded. So let's wait, and then here after some time it will be visible over here. So now here you can see that this home page is imported successfully. So now what I will do, I will click on simply insert, and here you have to select this yes. And then now you can see that within a few seconds everything is got imported. So let's wait. So here you can see that all these images and everything you can see is imported successfully. So now let me tell you how you can do all these things by your own. So here you can see that all this color scheme and everything I have done for you. So here if you want to change the text from here, suppose here you can see that hello, I am John Doe. So here you can see that there is a br tag is used. If you will remove this br tag, then you can see that this is not properly aligned. So if you want to see that hello guys on a single line and I am John Doe on another line, that's why we have used that br tag. After that you can see that you can make, if you want to make the alignment left or center or right or justified, you can do that. And then if you want to change the style of your color, here you can see that we have used this FFFA11. So here you can see that we have also this typography over here, pop-ins with size 100 pixel and weight 900. If you want to reduce the size of it, you can do that one. So I must so in this way you can customize of your own. So here after that you can change the line height if you want. If you want to customize the font face and font family, so you can do everything. If you want to change this text instead of this John Doe, if you want to type your own name, you can do that one. After that, moving on to this, I am enthusiast of technology and website. Here you can see that here we have used this text editor widget. Here I can show you this one, or you can go to this, click on this 9 dot, and here you can see that all the basic widget. So after the here you can see this text editor. You can use this text editor to create type paragraph like this. And then here you can see that in this style option also you are getting this uh, alignment option, text color option, and this typography option. After that, here in this advanced section you can add this left and right margin. How I have used 20% left and 20% right margin. If I will increase this margin, let me increase it to 30/30, and here you can see that the margin is reduced. So let me change it back to 25, or it is 20, right? So let me change it to 20, and in this way you can do this. After that, in our demo website you can see that whenever we are clicking on this get started button, it is directly taking us to this let's talk, means our contact form option. So now I am just telling you how you can do this with this in our demo website, in our website, how we can do that one. So whenever we will click on this get started, we have to go back to this contact form below. So before going to that part, let me show you how you can customize this button. When we are hovering over it, that background color is changing, and that text color is also changing. And so here you can also go to the style part of this button, and here you can see that on this typography, here you can change the typography of the button. and then here you have this normal option, and then this hover option. In this normal option you can see that the text color is we have given the text color, and then we have made that background to transparent, so that nothing will be visible in that, and you can see that the button is completely transparent. And then in this hover section you can see that we have changed the text color to black color, and then we have changed this background color to that what we have earlier the text color. So when we are hovering over it, this beautiful effect is showing over here. After that we have also given a border to our normal. Here you can see that the same color we have used here to give a border. And then this is the padding of our website. If you want to increase more padding, then also you can increase it from here. If you want to make it 1235, then also you can do it from here. After that now let me tell you how you can go to that whenever someone will click on this, I will tell you this one as a later part. So let's now go to this section. So here you can see that when we are hovering over this image, we have a beautiful effect, and this black and white image is changing to this color image. So now how I have done this one. So this one is done with the help of a css filter. So let me tell you, when you will click on this image and then go to the style part, so here you can see that there are two types of option is there, normal and hover. So in this normal option you can click on this pencil icon, and here you can see that I have made the saturation to 0. So earlier you can see that this is the normal saturation, so I have made it to 0, and when I have made that saturation to 0, you can see that this background this image is completely looking black and white. And then after that I have clicked on this hover, and then when and I have given the saturation to 100. So when I am hovering over it, that black color means black and white image is changing to a color image. And then here I have added a transition duration. So here you can see that when I am hovering over it, there is a transition duration. Here you can see that that effect is also taking place. So here in this I have also added a hover animation of sync, and if you want, you are getting a lot of hover animation. Here you can see that this bob or skew forward. So these are the hover animations. So I will make this transition duration, let me make it 1, and then Google to top. Here in this type of animation you can use. So what I am going to use that same sync. And then always remember to click on this update to make sure your whatever changes you have done to your website are getting updated. So now here in this section you can see that we have this what I do. So basically here, if you want to some of your show your achievements over here, if you are expert in some web development or any of these photos of anything, then you can showcase your experience. You can write your experience over here. So basically here you can see that we have taken this icon box over here where we have to add this title, and then we can add this description. After that here you can see that if you want to change this icon over here, suppose I will let me search for here laptop, and here you can use this laptop icon with, if you want to change the title of let me type here web development or anything. So here you can type here web development, and similarly if you have a specialization in photoshop or anything, you can use this paint option, paintbrush option, and here you can write here photoshop. So basically you can if you are expert in any other thing like SEO or anything, you can use that type of relatable icon, and you can showcase your what are your specialization and all. Then moving to the next section, here you can see that this is the my skill section, and in this my skill section again we have this heading over here, and then we have this paragraph about some little bit about your skill, and then we have this progress bar. So here you can see that we have used this progress bar. So basically this progress bar layout, you can select this if you want to make it line or rainbow, and then here you can see that it is in circle. After that here if you want to make the current, if you want to change the value, so here you can see that it is marketing. So let me you can change, simply click on this marketing, and if you want to change it to, let me make it to, if you want to change it SEO, so let me change it to SEO. And then you can simply go to this progress bar, and if you want to make it 90%, so here you can see that this is how it's going to be look like. And here you can set the animation speed. If you want to change the animation speed, then also you can change. So let me make it, I will keep it 1200. And similarly you can go to this style option, and here also you can change the alignment. Here you can see that you can change the alignment. If you want to set the size of it, you can set the size of it. And then stroke width, if you want to increase the stroke width or decrease the stroke width, that thing also you can do. So here you can see that this is. And then stroke color, here you can see that the stroke color means this is that fill color is the yellow one, and the other color is the stroke color. And then here if you want to change the typography of this text, then also you can do that one. Similarly, if you want to change branding, here you can see that this is WordPress is related to website designing, web design is related, and then SEO is also related to website. And if you want to change showcase your some other skill, then also you can do. And suppose if you have more than 4 skills, so what you can do, you can simply here you can see that you have this 6 dot. You can simply right click on it and duplicate this entire section over here. And here you can see that if you want to add more than 4 section, then here you can add this more than 4 skills. Now you can add 8 number of skills. So now I am deleting this one, and here you can see that you can showcase your skills. After that, moving on to your this result section, here you can see your portfolio. So in the results you can write over here my portfolio, and here you can showcase your portfolio in this section. So now here you can see that here we have different categories also. If you want to show some websites what you have created, e-commerce app or e-commerce website you have created, and mobile application you have created, you can show them, and you can show all of them also. So basically here you can see that we have used this filterable gallery widget, where you can show a number of items to show. Here we have this 6, that's why we can see this 6 number of items, and then we can show this animation and everything. After that, moving on to this filterable control, here you can see that we have 3 number of filterable control: website, e-commerce and mobile app. So basically here you can see that these are the filterable control. And then moving to this gallery item, here you can see that we have this mobile website, mobile app, e-commerce and website, mobile app. So basically these are the control name. Here you can see that whatever type you here in this control name, it is website. That's why this is present over there in website. And when we are hovering over it, we can see this title, item name, website, and then this text over there, this paragraph text. Similarly here also, when we are hovering over it, we can see this website and then this paragraph over here. So now in this way you can create different types of, and then you can use them as this filterable portfolio. After that, moving to this services section, here you can see that what type of services you are providing. So here you can see website, e-commerce, responsive design, web application, digital marketing, branding creation. So in this way you can also create number of services you are provided. And similarly if you have providing more than 6 number of services, you can simply duplicate this like this. And here you can see that we got this 6 number of more than 6, we have here 9 number of services. So now let me delete this section. So in this way you can also add more number of services to your website if you are providing them. And then here also you can see that we are using that same icon box, but here we have made the icon position to top. Earlier in that case we have made that position to left align. Now we have set it to center, and this is how the looks is going on. And in this style part, obviously you can change the icon color, icon size and icon spacing if you want to change. And if you want to change the typography of this content, you can change it from here. And you can also set the alignment of the text and vertical alignment, everything, typography for the text, and then title, and then typography for this description, color for the description, everything you can change it from here. So now after that we have this customer testimonial. So here in this testimonials you can see that we have a customer image, and then we have this testimonial text, whatever that text, and here we have this customer name also. After that we have this star rating. So basically you can use this star rating widget to showcase your star rating. Here suppose let me 4.5. If I will show here, you can see that it is displaying 4 full star and 1 half star. So in this way you can show up here 4.6, 4.7. If you want to show 4.9 also, you can. In this way you can showcase your customer rating. So basically here you can see that we have used a image, small image of for the customer, and then customer name, and then we have this testimonial text, and then we have used this uh, stars for enabling the customer rating. Now let's move to this contact section. So basically in this contact section here you can see that we don't have that contact form. So what I will do, I will tell you how you can create a amazing contact form like this. Let me show you. Here you can see that we have this contact form. So I am going to tell you how you can create this amazing contact form in your website. So first of all, click on update. And one more thing I just want to show you is that here you can see that when I will refresh this page, here that entire website which we have template which we have generated is here you can see that it is completely showing over here. So now let's start creating the form for it. So for this form you have to click on this hamburger icon over here, and then click on this exit to dashboard to go back to the pages. And here on the left hand side here you can find this WP form, and you can simply click on the WP form to create a new form. To add a border radius, then also you can add a border radius to this, and then if you want to add a menu spacing or margin, you can add. Now let us click on publish and go to this primary. So container animation, you can, if you want to give any container animation, you can give item divider. If you want to give an item divider, you can also give this. And now what I will do, you can go to this primary header setting, and then here you have a lot of option to bottom border size. If you want to give, I don't want to give. And then background color, if you want to give any background color to it, you can give, but I will make it transparent. And then let me click on publish. Now I will go back, and here you can see that header type, you have a transparent header type. So if you want to enable this transparent header type or enable computer website, you can enable like this. Here you can see that you can enable this transparent header type. How we have this in our demo website, here you can see that we have this transparent header type. So in this way you can have this transparent header type, and for this you have to get this logo as a white color. So I am not going to tell you how you can get this logo as a white color. You can directly download this from there, and if you want to enable this transparent header on both the desktop and mobile, you can simply enable this one. Here you can see that it is enabled in your mobile and desktop side. So now here you can click on publish, and after that here you can see that we have almost done. So now I have let's just customize this footer. So for this footer, here you can see that we have a black color and then white color text over there. So what I will do, again you can go to this customize option, and in this customize, let's go down to the footer, and here you can select this pencil icon over here, and you can go to this design, and here you can select this background color as a black background color. So this is how you can see that the design background has changed to black. And now you can click on this text when this pencil icon, and here you can see the text. So now I don't want to keep this. Here you can see that powered by theme author. So I just here I can type these CMS guys, and then this copyright text, and then this copyright symbol, current year, and site title is fine. Now let's go to this design, and here you can change the text color. I will make the text color to white. After that, in this here you can see that if you want to change the alignment, you can change the alignment also. And font size, if you want to increase this font size, you can increase it, but I will make it, I think 13 will be a good choice, or 14. And then I will click on publish. So with this, here you can see that we have created that footer bottom, but now I have to create this one also. So for this section, what I will do, I will suggest you to go back to your this Elementor homepage, and now let me tell you how you can import that section. So what you have to do, you will get that on that zip file, you will get two more templates, which is a header and footer. So here in this demo website, let me show you the mobile menu, how it is different from how this header. Let me show. So here you can see that when we are clicking on this hamburger, we are getting this transparent, and we have this like skills, services, and I will tell you how you can customize these things and all. So let's first add this footer top. So for this, again you have to click on this folder icon and go to the my template, and here you have to import those two files which are present over there, with the name of header and with the name of footer. Here you can see that I have imported this footer. Similarly, I will again import that header. I will not use here, but I will tell you how. So here you can see that with this, let me click on save. Sorry. So here again I will go to this my template section, and here I will click on insert of this footer, and then within a few click, here you can see that we have got that footer section ready. So here let it be loaded. So here you can see that this footer section is also pre-made. Here from here, if you want to add your Facebook link, you can simply add this Facebook link. If you want to add your Twitter link, you can add your Twitter link. You can add your GitHub link if you are a programmer, and you can also add your LinkedIn link. So whatever link you want to add, and if you want to add more links, then also you can click on this add item, and after that you can change the icon from here. Suppose if you want to add your Snapchat or anything other link, or if you want to add your WhatsApp, means if you want to create a WhatsApp API chat link, you can here you can add this WhatsApp icon over here, and you can keep that chat link. But let me close this one, and after that, here you can see that we have done with our footer. So if you are let me click on this exit to dashboard, and here also I will click on this cross mark, and let me show you. If you are not if you don't want to means if you don't like this one, and then I have one other option to tell you how you can also create this header. So for this, you have to install one new plugin. So you can click on hover over this plugin, and you can click on this add new, and then here you can search for Elementor, and you can simply write header. After writing this much only, you will get a plugin name. Let me, I have written the wrong spelling of this Elementor. Now here you can see that Elementor header, footer, and blocks template. So simply click on install now to install this plugin, and after installing this plugin, let's wait for this plugin to install, and then we will activate this. So now here you can see that this plugin is installed. Now what I will do, I will simply click on this activate button to activate this plugin, and after activating this plugin, you can hover over this appearance, and here you can see a new menu, header, footer, and blocks. Simply click on that one, and here you can add a new header or new footer to your website. So what I will do, I will click on this add new, and here type of template I want, I will select header, and then display on, here I will select this entire website, and then user role I will select all, and then I will click on publish. After that, here you can see that I have not given a title. Let me give it a title, header, and then again I will click on update. After that, you can click on this edit with Elementor to edit this section. And here you can see that you have to do nothing. You have to simply click on this folder icon and then go to my template and simply insert the header. And after inserting that header, you can see over here you have to here we have this logo. Here we have to add a navigation menu. So for that, here you can see that we have this header, footer and blocks. Here you are getting a lot of widgets over there like site title. So what I will do, I will simply drag this navigation menu to here, and then here you have to select which menu you want. I have selected main menu. And then in layout section, if you want to make do it layout horizontal, vertical, you can select it. Alignment, I will keep it as a right alignment. And then sub menu, if you want, we don't have any sub menu. After that, here you can see that this is the menu icon over here, and then I will click on update. Let's go to the style part, and here you can see that the text color. Let me make it more light to it. And after that, here you can see that over, I will give that yellow color, FFF1A11. And here you can see that when we are hovering over it, this yellow color is showing. And similarly for this active, we no need to give any active. And here you can see that link hover effect. Simply you can give a overline link hover effect, or if you want to give frame, in this way you can give. So I will tell you to give it a underline. And then animation, if you want to give it this animation grow, or then drop in, if you want to give this drop in or drop out. So you can choose that animation. After that, here in this hover color, you will get this link hover effect color. You can again give that same color, FFFA11. And here you can see that when we are hovering over it, we are getting that yellow color. Now let us customize for it for this mobile view. So here you can see that in this mobile view, it is in black color. So here you can see this drop down setting. You can simply select that drop down, and here you can customize these menus over here. What are the menus showing over here? You can see this border color. You can remove that border by selecting it none. And then here you can see this background color is in white color. You can I will tell you, you can keep it white, but make it little bit transparent. And after that, you can on hover, if you want to make the text color. Let me give it a text color that something like this. And on hover, I will give this text color FFFA11. And background, I must say you can give it a white background, so that which menu you will select, it will be that background will become white. Similarly, here you can go to this menu trigger and close icon, and you can select that color to white. And on hover also, you can select that to white, and after that click on update. So now let's refresh the page and let's see how it's going to look like. So here you can see that I have given this header the image of our this image guys. So it's why here it is looking like. So one more setting we have forgotten is that here you can see that we have not set the uh, typography. So you can go to this, here you can see this typography. You can give it a pop pins and then 16 pixel. After that, you have this weight, you can give it 600. And if you want to increase line height, you can do. And letter spacing, if you want, you can give letter spacing. And I will not suggest you to give letter spacing, or you can give it 0.5 letter spacing. Now let us refresh the page and let's see. Here it is. Here you can see that this is how. And let me show you the mobile menu. And here you can see that when you can hover over this or any of this menu, this is how it's going to look like. So in this way, here you can see that we have completed all this section, and we have used all the free resources. So if you want to learn more about this, how this here, let me refresh the reload this page and show you how you can see that these three lines were coming, this effect, how this effect is coming over here, and how these animations were added. So if you want to learn more about this, how to create this type of interesting website, then you can must go through our course and you can enroll it, and there I will teach you how you can learn this, how creating this interesting websites. So thank you so much for this. If you have any query, you can comment down below. And if you want me to create this type of website, then you can definitely leave a comment, and I will create websites. Like if you want service-based websites, or if you want me to create e-commerce using WooCommerce integration, then I will definitely love to create those websites for you. And if you want, if you have any doubt, you can comment down below, and I will definitely love to answer your queries. And thank you so much for watching the complete this tutorial completely, and I hope you can understand everything in this tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and just make sure that you subscribe for this this type of more amazing videos.